Hey guys, it's been a while since we've seen each other. If you haven't noticed, I grew a little beard. Yep, a little chilly on this side of the Midwest. Anyway, it's been a busy couple of weekends trying to set some corner posts, get some barbed wire fence strung to separate my yard from the rest of the pasture so we can get the cattle in. We've had a drought and it's been rough. Anyway, I've got a video here to show you where I am currently on the leather shop build. I've still got plenty of room to grow and improve, but wanted to share with you the progress. Enjoy. All right, I wanted to give you guys an update on my leather shop. So, of course, I've got my trusty pal over here, Liberty. Yeah, she's chewing on her bone. I've got a little bit of room over here on this side. We've got the laser printer, laser engraver, Glowforge on loan to me. I've got a sink with running water, hot and cold. I've got my arbor press and my little sander, both of those from, you guessed it, Harbor Freight. The shop is 15 feet wide by 40 feet long. So here's my messy desk. And by the way, I'm still in the process of getting things organized, slowly but surely. So over here I've got my trusty Class 4 Cobra sewing machine, recently acquired. Looking forward to using that more, of course. I've got my cutting table slash project table. I've got a couple of projects on there right now. I've got my leather storage underneath. That's a vacuum pump for the vacuum system I'll use on holsters. Thanks to a leatherworkers.net forum member, I've got some blue guns to use. And that little black object behind there is my poker table that we unfold and play once a month. Got the double doors coming in, 6 foot wide opening, 8 foot tall. Here is the bench where I do most of the carving, stamping, etc. Got a couple of shelves there with all kinds of goodies on it. Got storage compartments underneath. Again, I apologize for the mess. Still kind of in the setup mode slash middle of projects. Got a little tool holder there, just a 1x6 with the leather strap on it. Got my stamping tools. Got another bench over here for dyeing and finishing. And then for recording, I've got a couple of tripods here with a DSLR and a light. I've got my dyes, glues, brushes, etc. over here. More storage compartments. And then I've got a pegboard that's kind of shared between gun cleaning, smithing, and the leather shop. I've got a couple of hammers and whatnot up there, some clamps. And then this is the gunsmithing bench slash gun cleaning bench that I'll use. Got a skeet thrower over here in the corner mounted to this barrel. Got a death grip rifle tripod, works really, really well. And then I've got some ammo and some miscellaneous targets for when we do some shooting. Got several scrap bins of leather. Again, I've got to still organize this shelf unit, but I wanted to show you guys what I had so far. So looking back across this way, of course, my dog is anxiously wanting to see you all. Yeah, such a good girl. Yep. So anyway, that's kind of where I am at the moment. I got these magnetic strips. I mounted them vertically. For some unknown reason, the center hole or the hole centers are not at 16 inches. They're like 18. Then they go down to like a 14 or something. So instead of trying to use wall anchors, I just mounted them vertically instead. So anyway, enjoy.